Hey people, how are you doing? I'm about to embark on a little road trip to Norway, actually, to see some friends and visit some family. And the route today will be, we're starting here from Copenhagen, where I'm situated right now, and then we'll cross the bridge to Malmö, and from Malmö we go through Gothenburg, and then I continue up to a city south of Oslo called Fredrikstad, where I'm gonna catch up with Klaas, and I'm gonna spend a night there with his family. And tomorrow the plan is to drive around lunchtime. I drive on to my family, which currently is all gathered at my sister's place in Hemsedal. So it's gonna be road tripping in the beautiful Norwegian nature, crossing out up to Oslo, and then from Oslo we will go to Hemsedal. So yeah, it's gonna be exciting, so follow along, people. Tror jeg på feil sted der nå. Det er ingen som åpnet døra.
Det der, ja. Danske stenhugger.
Hva så?
Ja. Går bra?
Ja. Jeg må jo huske på å lage en travel vlog. So now finally arrived in Fredrikstad at Klaas' place. Yeah. Yeah. Update on the road trip. Currently somewhere between Oslo and Hemsedal. Just had some refreshments and gonna move on pretty soon. Yesterday went well. Mixed conditions on the roads from Copenhagen to Fredrikstad, but yeah, took me around 6 hours in total. Arrived around 7, did some barbecue with my friend Klaas, and was hanging out with him and his son. And then this morning we had some breakfast, and then I started from Fredrikstad around 11, and yeah, now it's like 2 p.m. and I still have 1.5 hours left, but yeah, on schedule. So see you later.